brings me to questions, because these are questions that today it's Maharashtra, tomorrow it could be Delhi, it could be Tamil Nadu, Bengal. Are the police being used across the country to settle political scores? Should politicians also mind their language, particularly union ministers like Rane? Should they talk the language of slapping someone? Thackeray versus Rane, is it at the end of the day a battle of egos, a battle which has been playing out for years? Clyde Crasto is of the NCP, its spokesperson. Atul Bhatkalkar is a BJP spokesperson and MLA, and Miran Borwankar is former police commissioner of Pune. Before I come to the politician, Miran Borwankar, I want to ask you this, because this is the question that is being raised now in state after state. In Delhi, the Union Home Ministry is accused of misusing the police force. In Bengal, Mamata Banerjee is accused of it. Already Stalin in Tamil Nadu is being accused of it. And now Uddhav Thackeray has been repeatedly accused of misusing the police. Is the police, in your view, being misused by the state governments in power?
Absolutely. There is no question about it. The fact that states are so reluctant to implement the Supreme Court mandated reforms of 2006 and we are here in 2021 proves the point that everyone wants to keep the Home Department with themselves so that they misuse the police powers, police authority. And I also feel it's all because today we do not have a single statesman. We have only petty politicians who can't think beyond their nose. Today it's police. Tomorrow it will be army, judiciary. I was with the Union Public Service Commission. It will be UPSC. So the politicians of today know how to destroy an institution, not to build one. And police is their target number one.
But can I ask you this, Miran Borwankar, what stops an IPS officer, let's say a Nashik police commissioner or a Chiplun police commissioner yesterday, from saying, look, we will follow the law, FIR has been filed, we will follow due process. We won't listen to you that go and arrest Mr. Rane right away. He's a union minister, process will be followed. What stops an IPS officer from telling this to the political leadership?
Because for our very postings, we are dependent on them. So today, if the commissioner does not agree to what the politician in chair wants, he will be transferred. So on paper, you may say that he has a 2 years tenure, but they'll create some file and they'll push him out. The career of an officer is at stake and therefore he is ready to compromise.
Interesting that you're saying that basically the instrument of transfer in particular is the weapon. Now that's one aspect of it. The other is the way our politicians also now behave with each other. Atul Bhatkalkar, BJP claims to be the party of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, L.K. Advani. Is this the party now of Narayan Rane? The language that Narayan Rane has used, is it? Can you endorse it? Is the BJP going to say कि union minister can say, अगर मैं होता तो लाफा मार देता? That is okay to say that?
See, that's why on very day, Devendra Fadnavis, our leader of Maharashtra, has categorically stated that BJP is not endorsing Narayan Rane's statement because we are a principal party.
No, 1 minute. You are not endorsing Narayan Rane's statement. He holds a press conference today from your platform, is defiant, says, I would have said this. This is the right statement I have made. I am not going to apologize. My point is, having someone like Narayan Rane, what is the BJP? What is your party? What is the message you are sending out? You can't say, I don't endorse what he says and then give him a platform.
We are sending out very clear, logical message. On same day, we officially stated that we are not agree with or we are not endorsing Narayan Rane's statement. But the moot point is, when Chief Minister of the state, who took oath of constitution, is not only endorsing, he is feliciting his Shivsainis who ransomed Narayan Rane's house. They flouted public laws and Chief Minister of Shiv Sena, and right now you saw that their so-called chief spokesperson is saying we do not believe in democracy.
No, he didn't say that. No. He said we believe in Lok Shahi. He in fact said we believe in Lok Shahi, but Maryada hoti hai. If somebody crosses the Maryada, then we will hit back.
If
That's
somebody
what he said.
crosses the
In fact,
Maryada, then he should go to the court.
sir, you know, the only
last 2 years,
sir.
in last 2 years, they have done many such things.
You know what?
In my constituency,
Deep, can I come in?
they slap on the face of ex-naval officer. They went to his house, and same Shaka Pramukh were felicitated by Uddhav Thackeray. Not Uddhav Thackeray, Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
But can I say one thing, Atul ji, before I come to you, Clyde? Atul ji, can I say one thing? Shiv Sena was your oldest ally for almost 4 decades, and the Shiv Sena's politics have not changed. They have always practiced this kind of politics. When they were with you, no, you never said anything. Now, when you are at the receiving end of the Shiv Sena's Thokshahi, as I call it, then you are saying, oh, look at the Shiv Sena. For 40 years, you were with the Shiv Sena. Or at least 30 years, you were with the Shiv Sena.
The first thing that we are not at all at receiving side of Shiv Sena's Thokshahi. We are equally competent, but we are law-abiding citizens, so we will go by the law. First thing. I will give you an example. When Shiva Sainik's attack on Chhagan Bhujbal's bungalow, where he is leader of opposition in council from the Congress side, that time Gopinath Munde was Home Minister. Within 1 hour, as the Home Minister of the state, Munde went to meet Chhagan Bhujbal. I myself was along with him, Mr. Gopinath Munde. Not only that, we filed FIR against everybody, including late MP Mohan Rawle.
Okay.
We
Let
filed cases.
me. Okay.
So,
Sir,
don't compare BJP and Shiv Sena.
Okay.
Don't
No, it's not about
make
comparing.
it
You were,
political
sir,
point.
just a minute. You were allies.
Point.
Okay, producer, you were
Important
allies.
point.
You were allies for a long time. Clyde Crasto, either way, what has happened and the reason why, in a way, I get angry about it. I am a Mumbaikar. I have seen this. I have been at the receiving end myself of this kind of Thokshahi in Mumbai when I was a journalist. Has the time come to end it? You may have a problem with Narayan Rane. You go to the court. You cannot come on the street, surround his house, beat up corporators, try and break the BJP office in Nashik. That's unacceptable.
No, Rajdeep, I completely agree with you. No kind of violence is acceptable. You cannot endorse any violence, and nobody will endorse any violence. That's for a fact. And what you saw yesterday, well, there was violence in the streets, and all those operators were part of that violence. The cases have been lodged against them. I mean, you know that. You can go and cross-check. The point here is, while you saw the Shiv Sainiks, there are on your screen, I can see a lot of BJP cadre out on the street. What was the reason for the BJP to come out on the street and instigate those people who were protesting? There are two kinds of people that there was some who were just protesting.
Nobody is allowed to take the law into their own hands.
Can I
My
finish?
sense is, what is the
Can I finish, Rajdeep?
Sir, what is the message? What is the message going out?
Can
What is the
I
message
tell
going
you-
out? It's your government.
No, so can I tell you, Rajdeep, will you listen to my answer?
Yeah, please.
Nobody can take the law in their hands. I'm telling you that. I've been saying it again. I'll say it again now. Nobody can take law in their hands. No violence can be endorsed, and nobody will endorse any violence. My point here is, when we talk about violence, there have been people from the BJP out on the streets also instigating the protesters out there, and they've been creating violence also. So is the BJP going to endorse that kind of violence? And Mr. Narayan Rane, he is talking about a chief minister of a state. And I'll tell you, you keep saying, was it justified? I'll read you something that the judge in Mahad, the court, the judge says that. I'll tell you that. Considering the reasons of arrest and the ones that were discussed in the court, I found that the arrest was justified. This is what the judge says. So are you going to go against what the judge says?
He said the arrest was justified,
No.
but he questioned the procedures being followed.
Yes,
don't tell half the story, please,
No,
sir.
can I?
Yeah,
but
so
you
don't tell us half the story.
No, Rajdeep Sardesai, you don't let me finish what I'm reading. I'm reading. No, I'm reading. I'll read you the other part also. In the present case, the investigating officer did not follow the said mandate. That's what I'm reading. So you're not allowing me to finish, and you're saying I'm giving you half stories. Sorry, my friend. Allow me to finish, and then you can accuse me of reading half story.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to tell you here is, this is what the judge said. The point here is very simple. Is Narayan Rane and his children. You spoke about. You asked Mr. Sanjay Raut, हे का आपली मराठी अस्मिता आहे? Point here is, Narayan Rane and त्यांची मुलं जे बोलतात, हे आपली मराठी संस्कृती आणि अस्मिता आहे का? त्यांच्या तोंड जिभेला टाळा नाही जे
That
पाहिजे
is
ते
not the
बोलत राहतात.
issue. You are in
Is
power.
that Sanskriti and Asmita?
No, that's a very
The
good
The point
point.
here is that is my point.
That's a
I will
very good
translate in
point.
English.
That's
For
a
those
very
who don't
good point.
understand
Narayan, just a
Marathi,
minute now.
That the children, when they speak what they want to speak, is that a Marathi Asmita?
Narayan
Is that I'm a
Rane's
Mumbai, I'm a
Narayan
Marathi.
Rane's language
What
has
kind of
been
language
totally
are you talking?
unacceptable. Politicians, no noise between them. Meera Bonvankar, I want to conclude by asking you this. What we've seen in the last 24 hours in Maharashtra, in a sense, is a mirror to a politics that has broken down. The BJP has not been able to come to terms with the fact that they have lost power. Narayan Rane is being used, some say, to take on the Shiv Sena. But apart from that, what's the message that goes out in this political culture? You know, what do the lawmakers do now? What do the police officers do if the ruling party is going to start hitting the streets and breaking the law?
So police has become totally cynical. We know that one thing which both your esteemed panelists have not talked about, that now today you are registering these cases. After a few months, you will forget and they will be quietly withdrawn. So the message to the cadre of all political parties, I am not singling out anyone, is come on the roads, create violence, create havoc. Quietly, the cases will be withdrawn and you will be free men and women withdrawn. And that emboldens. And this story will continue. And this Rajdeep media should follow.
Please let us speak. Clyde, let us speak. Yes.
No, but this is the wrong
let's-
kind of message that has been sent out, with all due respect to ma'am.
Oh,
I have utmost respect
absolutely.
for her, but
I
this is,
have
if you're going to
myself
talk
seen-
like this, ma'am, you're sending out a wrong message. This is not what we think.
No, this
With
is
due
what
respect to you,
actually
I have
happens.
high
I
regard
am
for
just
you,
flagging
but
the
this does
reality.
not behove of someone of your stature to say that this is what you're giving a free license or you're talking about this. This does not behave of someone with
Okay.
your stature. And I've
Can you
followed
see
your
the
work,
file?
and
How
you've
many
done lot of
cases
good
were
work, ma'am.
withdrawn?
So please
How
don't
many
talk like
cases
this.
were
This does
withdrawn?
not behave of someone like of your stature to
Clyde
say that you've given a
Rasto,
free
Clyde
license. Sorry.
Rasto,
Rajdip, it's not acceptable.
she's one of the
Rajdip, sir.
most distinguished IPS
I respect
officers
her,
in the
that's what I
country.
said.
She
I
has
keep
seen
saying
the
I have
other
the
side.
utmost
You
respect
must
for her.
also see the
But
other
this is
side.
not what has to be said. Sorry.
Okay,
I keep
this is
repeating
the
again, I have
problem
utmost
with our
respect for her for
politicians.
the
They
work
don't
that
want
she
to
has
be
done.
shown the mirror. Today, I have made an attempt.
I'm
This is
looking
the
into
mirror.
I'm looking in the mirror. If I completely
The mirror shows me people committing acts of violence on the streets of Mumbai. That's not the mirror I want to see. This is not my
Violence
Mumbai.
is not acceptable. Nobody will endorse violence.
Okay.
And nobody's above the law. The law has to take its course. Nobody's
Okay,
above
law
the
has
law.
to take its course. Law has to follow
Nobody's
due
above the
process.
law.
The
But
lawmakers
let's
cannot
stop the
turn lawbreakers.
natak.
Time out.
Let's stop the natak.
Okay,
Now,
stop
what
the
kind of
natak.
natak, ma'am? What kind of language is this?
Okay. Time out. Time for a break. Thank you all very much for joining me. As I get older, it becomes more and more difficult, I guess, for me to control sometimes our speakers. But it's a issue that should trouble us all. If lawmakers turn lawbreakers, whether you're a union minister or whether you're a state government, this is not the language we want to hear. This is not the violent behavior we want to see.